The next Galaxy Z Fold 7 is projected to be a considerable increase over last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6. Rumors say that the phone will be slimmer and lighter, with a closed thickness of 8.6mm, making it one of Samsung's slimmest foldables to date. This would make the phone more convenient to carry and use, particularly for people who like a more compact feel when closed. The phone may possibly feature more rounded edges like previous Galaxy S Ultra versions. This change may have a visible impact on how the phone feels in the hand, particularly when used one-handed. Samsung may possibly be drawing inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which was only available in Korea and China. The speculated specifications call for an 8-inch internal display and a 6.5-inch external display, both of which are somewhat larger than the 7.6-inch and 6.3-inch panels featured on the full-size 6. Another intriguing possibility is the launch of a display with no apparent creases, which has been a major criticism among prior Galaxy Fold owners. If this technology gets it into the Z Fold 7, it has the potential to revolutionize the folding experience by giving a smoother and more seamless appearance. However, there has been no indication that this innovation will be available for this year's model. Cameras have never been the major selling point for Samsung's foldables, but that may change this year. According to one of the most recent reports, the Fold May 7th replaced the 50-megapixel primary sensor with a gigantic 200-megapixel camera comparable to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This would be a substantial upgrade, allowing for significantly clearer shots, greater low-light performance, and overall increased image quality. The speculated camera arrangement features a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 10-megapixel front-facing selfie camera, and a 4-megapixel under-display camera for the inner screen. In terms of performance, Samsung's foldables normally employ the same chipset as the previous year's Galaxy S series, thus the Fold 7 is anticipated to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite engine, which powers the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This should result in a substantial performance jump over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 utilized in the Fold 6, with more efficiency, quicker processing speeds, and greater AI capabilities. The Fold 7 is rumored to come preloaded with one of Samsung's most recent software upgrades, which will include Now Brief, Sketch-to-Image, AI-generated artwork, and Portrait Studio. Samsung might also launch new AI-powered tools designed exclusively for foldables. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.